What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl, Shayna J here once again, and I'm really excited to show you guys this particular video because today we are going to be doing our nails at home. I'm just showing you guys a couple of things. I will list everything that I got down in the description box. Don't worry. I just didn't want this video to be super long. Everything that you see in front of you will be listed down below in the description box, so don't you guys worry. So I'm just showing you guys everything: the polishes, the actual nails, some of the extra accessories I got, as far as like the nail handle, the nail stand, and the UV light, all that good stuff, all the polishes, everything. So I'm showing you everything, and I will list every single thing down in the description box below. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open the nails. These are from Amazon. Again, everything will be listed down below. So all we're going to do is use the nails, and we're going to pretty much fit each nail on our finger. So after that, we're going to take this blue tacky and we're going to roll up just a little piece and put it on the back of the nail, and then put it on the nail stand. And this just makes it a little bit easier so that you can see better, you can file it a little bit better versus you trying to do it on your hand. Some people might not be able to do one hand as well as the other, so I think that this little stand is a really good alternative. So next, what we're going to do, I'm trying to show you guys that there's like a little piece on the very top of the nail. That's just from where they break off the mold. So we're just going to file that down and file that off. And then what we're going to do after that is we're going to take a filer that is a little bit, it's not as rough as the actual filer, but it's still a little bit rough. And what we're going to do is we're going to rough up the actual nail because we don't want the nail to be too shiny. We don't want that coating on it. We want to dull out the nail so that there's nothing stopping the gel polish from sticking. So then after that, we're going to take some alcohol, doesn't matter what, or acetone, doesn't matter what percentage of alcohol, just any type of rubbing alcohol, and we're just going to wipe off the nail, and it should look like this, nice and dulled out. And yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the base coat, and what we're going to do is we want the press-on nail to be thick but not too thick. We want it to kind of mimic the acrylic nails that we get at a salon, and you guys know most of us are quarantined, and we just miss our nails done. Like we can't deal with this right now. So I think this is a really good alternative for us that just still want our nails done, but we can't go to the salons because they're closed right now. So yeah, so we want to make sure that the press-on nail is not flimsy, that it still feels somewhat like acrylic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna paint the base coat of one layer of the base coat, and I'm gonna put that on for 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna do another layer of the base coat, and I'm gonna put that on for 2 minutes. So basically 60 seconds twice. So here's me applying the second base coat. You want to make sure you have an even layer of this base coat. You don't want the gel to cure when it's all lumpy and stuff like that. So you just want to be careful with that. So this is me just doing it the second time. So you're going to do 2 layers of the base coat, and then we're going to move on to the actual color. So here I am using the light pink color. I can't remember what number it was. I want to say it was 504, but it came in the it came in the set that that I was showing earlier before. So again, everything is going to be listed down in the description box. But yeah, it comes in like a set of 4 other colors, so you're getting a nice, you know, a cute little amount of polish for like 15 bucks, or actually I think this was on sale for like 11 bucks. And yeah, again, everything will be down in the description box, but it's just a really pretty pale pink color, and I thought that's like my signature color. Besides red, I love like a really nice pale pink. So we're gonna do 2 layers of that, and then we're going to again cure it the first time for 60 seconds, then do another layer, and then cure that layer for 2 minutes. So this next part right here, I was just showing you guys the top coat, and we're gonna do 1 layer of the top coat. So altogether you're gonna have about 5 layers, and that should be a good enough thickness for your press-on nail. You can do about 6 layers, maybe even 7, you know, to get it to be a little bit thicker, but this looked good enough for me, and I liked how flat it was still. So yes, 5 layers is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 layer of the top coat, and then I'm gonna cure that for 2 minutes, and we're pretty much done with the set. So I do want to mention that after you cure all the layers and your nail is dry, you are going to lose a little bit of the shape. So all you're going to do is just go back and kind of reshape it. Not a big deal. It just helps it look a lot cleaner. So now the fun part, we're going to go ahead and apply the nails. So right now we're just going to prep the nail. I'm going to just clip my nails down because my nails are very weak from wearing acrylic so much. So I'm just going to cut my nails down because I'm just not interested in growing them out right now. And then we're going to buff out the shine so that the nail sticks a little bit better. And here's a trick of mine that I learned from here on YouTube, and I'm just going to push my acrylic down and use the not my acrylic, sorry, push my cuticle down and cut my cuticle with the cuticle cutter, and that's just going to help the press-on nail look like it's coming from the nail bed versus usually when people don't do this step, it looks like it's just sitting on top of your cuticles. So I learned that if you push your cuticle down and then cut them, they look a lot better. And as you can see, I already did one hand off camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand. The glue that I use is the Kiss Maximum Speed Glue. Again, everything will be down in the description box, but I'm just going to put a little bit of that glue, not really a little bit, but like a generous amount, enough so that it'll cover like your whole base of the nail. And you're going to go ahead and press that down for a couple seconds. It doesn't take long to dry at all. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the entire set, guys. I really enjoyed doing this video. I really enjoyed picking up a new hobby. I feel like quarantine, even though I'm not quarantined, I am working. I'm considered an essential worker, but even though most of us are quarantined, I think that this is a nice way, something really, I guess, productive and creative that you guys can do. You can go ahead and even do acrylics. You can, like, this is just something I think I like that I picked up as a hobby, and I think I'm gonna continue this even after we're allowed to like get our nails and stuff done again. So yeah, what you're gonna do as the last step is just, you know, make your adjustments, you know, file it down to your nail bed and your liking. You're gonna take a cuticle oil or any type of oil. I'm using vitamin E oil right here, just so that you can massage into your cuticles. And that is it, guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Go ahead and leave this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.